Hi there, I'm Peter Vox and I am the Director and Principal Teacher of Vox Singing Academy, established in 1993 here in beautiful Melbourne, Australia. If you like this channel, the Ultimate Online Singing Course 5 Minute Singer, please click like and subscribe to keep up with all of our videos. If you have any questions or comments, please put them in the comments section below and I will attempt to get to as many of them as I possibly can. Most importantly, if we can help you or someone that you know with their singing, we'd be absolutely honored. We have the Ultimate Online Singing Course, streaming high quality singing lessons and courses anywhere, anytime. Online singing lessons, private online singing lessons all around the world, 7 days a week, and we have in-studio singing lessons here at our 6 Melbourne studios. So check out the links below in the description there. Let's get stuck into the next question. The next question is, how long do I need to do the Ultimate Online Singing Course for? Now, this is a little bit of a trick question. It's really, how long is a piece of string? This all depends on your current level of vocal ability, your genre of music, and how much vocal improvement you want to make. Now, as we know, we all have different levels of vocal ability, whether that be natural or whether you've already had some singing lessons. Genre of music. There are some genres that are easier than others, like singing punk is a little bit easier than singing theatre, for instance. And how much improvement you actually want from your voice. As I said, you could be in a punk band just wanting to basically get longevity and stamina out of your voice and vocal fitness out of your voice. Or you might be inspiring or wanting to become a professional singer and make a living out of your voice. You want one of the best voice that you possibly can obtain, and this is going to take a longer period of time. So it really all just depends on your personal preference and genre and your natural ability already at the current point of your vocal development. As a general rule, we recommend anywhere between 2 months to 12 months. Though we guarantee that you will start feeling vocal improvement if you're an absolute beginner and a hobby singer within 3 weeks if you diligently follow the course's instructions and practice at least 5 days a week for at least 20 minutes. That's a very minimum that we would like you to do this, and that's for adults and children. Obviously, hobby singers, you might want to do it less if you don't want to do it for as long. Professional singers, obviously, if you want to make the improvement, the more that you put into your voice, the more that you'll get out of it, the more improvement you'll get out of it, the more enjoyment you'll get out of it. So that's with anything in life as well too. So I hope that answers your questions. With the Ultimate Online Singing Course, we have 4 full courses starting at $14.95, entry level, intermediate, advanced and professional. 17 short custom courses starting at $7.95. These are all in US dollars as well too. Fantastic value because my lessons are $120 each, private lessons here in Melbourne. I'll be guiding you through all of the courses as well as the female parts in the higher scales with one of my professional female teachers. They'll be guiding you through all of the lessons. Absolutely fantastic value. So I hope that helps you out. So as a general rule, if you just want to do something for a short period of time, we'd be saying a minimum of 2 months to gain good improvement and to get good base knowledge of your voice so that you can take this and use this in the future years. But if you want to be an absolutely amazing singer, you're going to have to do it for longer periods of time and put in a little bit more work. Hope that it helps you out, hope that it answers your question. And if we could help you or someone that you know with their singing, please check out our links below for more info. But most importantly, please be good to each other, enjoy your singing, live with passion, and I'll see you on the next episode of Ask Vox Singing Academy. Peace and love.